Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamia, and this is the unboxing of Byte the Binary Bot Serves the Web! Yay! It's finally here, and today we're going to do an unboxing and read aloud. So if you're into cybersecurity, information technology, risk management, governance, then this is the channel for you. So please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Now, a little bit about Byte the Binary Bot. It is a children's STEM book. And yeah, let's get into it. Oh, this is the box it came in. OMG, y'all. Do y'all see this? Oh my goodness, this is so awesome! Alright. Byte the Binary Bot Surfs the Web. How your message reaches anywhere. Brought to you by Afronomias. Empowering minds, building future. And this is Byte the Binary Bot. You see his bits mouth, his bite mouth. His binary mouth. All right, so let's get into it. Oh, okay. So Byte the Binary Bot surfs the web. How your message reaches anywhere. The Byte the Binary Bot Big Transmission Series, created by me, Jamia Williams. Copyright, all that good stuff. No part of this publication may be reproduced, distributed, stored in a retrieval system, or transmitted in any form or by any means without prior written permission from the publisher except for brief quotations and reviews or educational references as permitted by copyright law. About the author. Jamia Williams is a cybersecurity professional, educator, and founder of Afronomias LLC. She created the Byte the Binary Bot series to help children discover technology through fun stories and memorable adventures. Learn more at Afronomias.com. All right. Byte the Binary Bot. System online. Loading transmission. 100%. Welcome, friend. My name is Byte the Binary Bot. I'm one tiny byte, but together with millions of other bytes, we help pictures, games, videos, messages travel all around the world. Ready to surf the web with me? Hold on. Did you say hi to your friend today? You did? Awesome. Not yet? That's okay. Let's imagine you want to send your friend a special picture while they're at home. But wait, how does your picture know where to go? Want to see how it travels all the way to your friend's house? Come on, let's go! So can you see the graphics here? Get your book and you can see it really clearly. Before we leave, imagine your house. Every house has an address. That's how people know where to visit. Well, computers have addresses too. They're called IP addresses. Without an address, I'd never know where to deliver your message. Let's say, look around your house. Do you have a phone? A computer? A gaming console? A tablet? Awesome! Even though they're all inside the same house, each one has its own special address. Byte smiles. I know exactly where I'm starting my adventure. Uh-oh. How do I leave the house? There's Dad. Dad is our router. He knows every road around the neighborhood. Hop in, Byte. Dad drives me to the internet bus station. Woohoo! We're riding the internet bus. Some buses go left, some buses go right, some buses travel really far. Sometimes I even have to change buses before I reach my destination. Every bus helps me get a little closer. While I travel, I wear my visitor badge. Everyone knows I'm visiting, but my home stays nice and private. Pretty cool, right? Why am I named Byte? Before we keep traveling, I have a little secret. Have you ever wondered why my name is Byte? Computers have their own special language. They don't use ABCs like we do. They use tiny numbers called bits. A bit can only be one of two things. 1 means on, 0 means off. Those tiny bits are the building blocks that help all messages travel all around the world. A bit can only be one of two things. 1 means on, 0 means off. When 8 bits work together, they make one byte. That's where I got my name. I'm Byte the binary bot. 10110010 equals 1 byte. Where are we going? The internet has lots of special computers called servers. Servers help store pictures, games, videos, and websites until someone needs them. That's where we're headed. Hello, server. The server checked my destination. Everything looks correct. Let's get your picture ready for your friend. Let's continue our adventure. Now you know why I'm called Byte the binary bot. Let's continue our adventure. Uh-oh. This picture is too big to travel all at once. So, we'll split into a lot of tiny packets. Each packet can take its own path across the internet. Don't worry. We'll all meet back together at the end. Back together again! Hooray! We all made it! Each packet brought a tiny piece of the picture. When we all arrived safely, we fit back together like a puzzle. Now the message looks exactly the way it did when we started. Look! The internet bus know exactly where to take me. We made it! This neighborhood is different. Different houses, different addresses, but don't worry. The internet bus knows exactly where to take me. Ding! We surfed the web together. The phone lights up. Your picture has arrived. Mission complete. Mission accomplished. Byte laughs. We surfed the web together. Imagine that. Every time you send a picture, send a text, play a game, watch a video, visit a website, you're taking the same adventure we just did. Pretty amazing, isn't it? So here's Byte's journey. I'll show you and then I'll read. First, your device. You send a picture from your phone. 2, your IP address. Your device has a special address so data knows where to start. The router. Your router, the helper at home, sends Byte out to the internet. The internet. Byte rides the internet bus across roads and neighborhoods. Server. Byte arrives at the big computer called a server. Packets. The picture is too big to travel at once, so it's split into tiny packets. Internet again. Packets can take different paths across the internet to get there faster. Delivered. The picture arrives at your friend's phone. Ding! Mission accomplished. Every time you send a picture, text, play a game, watch a video, or visit a website, you're taking the same big adventure. Explore, learn, connect. Can you help Byte click the correct answer? What tells computers where to go? Leave a comment down below. How many bits make 1 byte? Is it 2? Is it 100? Is it 8? Where can pictures wait until they're needed? Is it a refrigerator? Is it a backpack? Is it a server? What carries messages across the internet? Packets, cookies, sandwiches? Byte's Brain Boost. Today you learned some big computer words. IP address, a computer's home address. Device, a phone, tablet, computer, game system. Router, the helper that helps messages find the right road. The internet, millions of computers connected around the world. Server, a powerful computer that stores and shares information with other devices. Message, pictures, videos, games, and text can all travel across the internet. You're becoming a little tech explorer. Great job, friend! You just surfed the web with me. Before you close this book, tell someone you love them. Share a smile, keep exploring. I'll see you in our next transmission. Byte the Binary Bot. And then, Byte the Binary Bot. Transmission complete. Powering down. 100%. Goodbye, friend. System offline. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome. And then, in the back, you can scan these pictures for coloring. Yay! Thank you guys so much for tuning in for the unboxing of Byte the Binary Bot and the read-aloud. You can purchase this book in the description below, as well as purchase a Afronomias shirt in the description below. Thank you guys so much for supporting the journey and the business and the experience. Byte the Binary Bot offline. Jamia offline. Thank you guys for tuning in. Love, peace, and happiness. Love, peace, and positivity.